So Victor Font has presented the structure for his sportive project of his candidacy for the upcoming elections of Football Club Barcelona under the slogan Sí al Futur. Welcome back to Blaugrana Planet and welcome back to a new video. And today we are gonna be talking about the sportive project that Victor Font has just presented to all the culés around the world, and to be fair, it doesn't look bad. So Victor Font has finally unveiled the project that he has been talking about for so long. And the truth is that, according to him, he has revealed a sportive project that's surprising and that's innovative, taking into account that the sportive project that Bartomeu had was a complete disaster, if there even was any sportive project. So basically, Victor Font wants to restructure the hierarchy of the sports directive positions, and this new model of hierarchy would be applied to every section of the club. As you guys know, we're not only having a football section, but we also have a basketball section, futsal section, we have a handball section, and a hockey section. Apart from all these sections, Victor Font wants to create two more sections. One of them is going to be the chess section and the synchronized swimming section. So, how does this new structure look like? Well, we have the head of everything, which is going to be the club members. According, that's what he says. He wants to have the club members on top. At least this is what this graph is showing us. Then we're gonna have the board of directors. Obviously, the board of directors are gonna have the decision, the power of decision to everything that goes on in the club. And then the sports general director and the CEO. Pretty much at the same level, these two. Then there will be a specific team managing each one of the sportive sections of the club. And Font gave us an example of the football section, and the football section looks like the following. So there would be a general manager position who would be the leader of the section, and this position would be filled by Xavi Hernandez. Then there would be the sports director position who would be filled by Jordi Cruyff. The sports director position would be supported by the technical secretary who would be Tito Blanco. Then we would have the same coaches as we have right now. So we have Ronald Koeman as the first team coach and Garcia Pimienta as the head coach of the second team. And to finish everything off, there would be two directors of La Masia and a coordinator who would be also Tito Blanco. So according to Victor Font, this new structure levels of hierarchy will be key for us to succeed and to maximize the productivity, according to Victor Font. He also mentioned that the levels of hierarchy on all this plan wouldn't be applied as soon as he got the presidential seat, but he would take time, probably as late as 2023, to implement the entire plan and make it all work as he wants. So we have now seen the hierarchy, the new hierarchy that Victor Font wants to apply to the club. To be honest, in my honest opinion, it doesn't look very far from the normal hierarchy that we have right now in the club and that we have had for many years. Despite the sports general manager position, which in this case would be filled by Xavi if he ever comes back from Qatar, because we're kind of confused now with letters from Xavi, then we have tweets from Jordi Cruyff saying he doesn't back the candidacy. I don't know, everything is a little bit strange, but what I think at the end of the day is that Xavi and Jordi Cruyff have contracts with their actual teams and they don't want to be making a bad move, a bad face to their actual contractors, right? So they made those tweets. But to be fair, I don't think it's properly done, at least from the communication team from Victor Font. If Victor Font dedicates himself to communication, then he should have done something better than this, because it's very uncertain. This letter from Xavi that he said that he was gonna try to stay in Qatar until 2022 or 2023, and this tweet from Jordi Cruyff. Apparently, Jordi Cruyff and Xavi had already talked with Victor Font, and they had agreed that this was the protocol, right? As soon as Victor Font announces their name, they announce that they don't have explicit agreement with Victor Font. But everything is very weird, and at the end of the day, people start making their own opinions. I mean, we don't have a clear truth, a clear path of Xavi coming back to Barcelona. Although at the end of this event, Victor Font was asked many questions. One of them was, what would happen with Xavi if Victor Font won the elections? And Victor Font replied that Xavi would immediately join the team and become the sports general manager as he presented. Immediately. And also, the following question was, what would happen with Ronald Koeman if his performances weren't improving? Then Victor Font also replied that Xavi would immediately take the coaching position of Ronald Koeman and will also be the sports general manager at the same time. He seems very sure about it. We're gonna give him a vote of confidence, a vote of trust. At the end of the day, if he's mentioning Xavi and Jordi Cruyff, it must be because he has some sort of agreement with them. We'll see. Also, he was asked about the current workers of the club, right? If you're presenting a new team, what would you do with the current workers of the club? Would you just clean them out? I mean, we have a sports director, a sports secretary, there is a team already there. And Font replied that, as he said, that the plan wouldn't be applied directly, but it would take time to apply the whole plan. He would give a chance to the actual workers to see if they fit in the plan or not, right? But to be fair, I'm not sure. If you have new names that you're announcing to join the club, and now you say that, oh, you're gonna give a chance to the other ones, then what's gonna happen with the new names that you're announcing? I don't know, something unclear that Victor Font didn't clarify in this question. And to end up, he was also asked about signings. What would you do in the winter transfer market? Victor Font replied that Eric Garcia is a priority because he's gonna come for free, basically, and also that he's gonna look for players that end their contract in January. So they will come for free. And looking into La Masia as well. But in La Masia, there's not much right now that you can really take advantage of, except a couple of players that they are very young. So Victor Font is gonna do what Bartomeu was kind of doing, right? Getting players that end their contracts. So, guys, this was my resume of the Victor Font presentation of his new project, the update of his new project, and I'm looking forward to what you have to say. What do you guys think about Victor Font's project? Do you think it's convincing? Is it convincing you? Do you think Xavi and Jordi Cruyff will really come, as he says? Or do you believe there's something fishy with the note that Xavi released and the tweet that Jordi Cruyff made? Let me know all in the comments down below. And of course, I will be updating you with Laporta's project, with Emili Rousseau's project, with Jordi Farrés' project, and I'll try to cover all the other candidates. And don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe and hit the notifications bell if you want to be notified as soon as I release my next video. And now, and as I always say, Visca el Barça, Visca Catalunya, and see you in the next video.